Good day, future principals. For this review, we will talk about DepEd Matatag curriculum. I hope I can help you to pass this upcoming 2024 NQuest examination. For every question, I will give you 5 seconds to answer. Without further ado, let's start now. For question number 1, what is the primary focus of the DepEd Matatag curriculum? A. Memorization of facts and figures. B. Rote learning techniques. Letter C. Development of holistic competencies and critical thinking skills. Letter D. Promotion of standardized testing practices. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up! Yes, you made it right. The correct answer is letter D. Development of holistic competencies and critical thinking skills. That is the focus of DepEd Matatag curriculum. For question number 2, how does the DepEd Matatag curriculum differ from traditional educational framework? Letter A. It emphasizes rote memorization over understanding. Letter B. It focuses solely on academic subjects. Letter C. It promotes learner-centered approaches and 21st century skills. Letter D. It disregards the importance of values education. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up! Yes, the correct answer is letter C. It promotes learner-centered approaches and 21st century skills. For question number 3, which of the following is not a key feature of the DepEd Matatag curriculum? Again, which of the following is not a key feature of the DepEd Matatag curriculum? A. Integration of learning areas into thematic units. Letter B. Emphasis on standardized testing as the primary assessment method. Letter C. Use of technology in teaching and learning. Letter D. Emphasis on values education and cultural understanding. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up! Yes, the correct answer is letter B. It emphasizes on standardized testing as primary assessment method. That is the correct answer. For question number 4, how does the DepEd Matatag curriculum address the diverse needs of learners? A. By promoting a one-size-fits-all approach to education. Letter B. Through inflexible teaching methods. Letter C. By providing opportunities for personalized learning and inclusion. Letter D. By excluding learners with special needs from the educational system. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up! Okay, for question number 4, the correct answer is by providing opportunities for personalized learning and inclusion. For question number 5, what are the expected outcomes of implementing the DepEd Matatag curriculum? A. Producing learners with narrow skill sets and limited adaptability. Letter B. Fostering individuals who lack critical thinking and communication skills. Letter C. Creating a well-rounded individuals capable of contributing positively to society. Letter D. Generating graduates who are proficient only in memorization-based tasks. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up! Yes, the correct answer is letter C. creating a well-rounded individuals capable of contributing positively to society. So this is the expected outcomes of implementing the DepEd Matatag curriculum. I hope that I help you to pass this coming NCAS examination. That's all. See you.